The distressed family of Vicky Ajok, a 33-year-old Ugandan domestic worker convicted of murdering her 87-year-old employer in Syria, has made an emotional plea to the government to intervene and bring their daughter home. Ajok, a mother of two from Upaya village in Bobi sub-county, Moro district, was arrested in January 29, 2026 in Damascus following the death of her employer, Uda Sharawi. Syrian state media released a video of Ajok reacting to the crime in early February, leading to widespread reports of her conviction and speculation about a possible execution. By late February, social media claimed an execution date had been set for February 28, but Syrian Ambassador Dr. Tamo Mustafa clarified the legal process was still going. After the arrest, Ajok's father Simon Gitara sought help from local police and the Moro Resident District Commissioner's office, but was told the crime was outside their jurisdiction. The family later contacted Minister Alur and other officials. We were told that the government was working very hard to save Ajok and that she would be sent back to Uganda, Gitara said. Uyela described her daughter as a calm and obedient person, expressing shock at the murder accusation. With Uganda having no embassy in Syria, the family appealed to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to verify her condition through nearby missions. I appealed to my leaders in the village, the district, and at the top government level to help my daughter, Uyela said. As of early March 2026, the situation remains under high-level diplomatic engagement. Foreign Affairs State Minister Henry Okello is leading efforts through the Ugandan mission in Egypt, seeking clemency while highlighting claims of workplace mistreatment and unpaid wages as important context.